Hey guys, and welcome to The Screamin' Vegan. I'm Ivy Jean, and this week we're making vegan fondue. This recipe is inspired by a recipe found in This Cheese is Nuts by Julie Pyatt. You can check this down in the description below. To a blender, add raw cashews, 1 garlic clove, mustard powder, nutmeg, onion powder, white pepper, nutritional yeast, sea salt, white wine vinegar, chickpea miso paste, refined coconut oil, tapioca flour, saffron threads and their soaking water, and 1.5 cups of hot water. Blend until smooth, about 1 minute. Once blended, add to a saucepan. Stir constantly on low heat until your fondue thickens. Now your vegan fondue is ready to serve and enjoy. Join me back next week where I'm going to be making vegan fish tacos. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that recipe. Please remember to tune back every Wednesday to this channel or to my website, The Screamin' Vegan, for more. Also, don't forget to subscribe down below. Bye!